All right, hello. We're going over number 12 from the slope homework. No, from the scatter plot homework, sorry. And our goal here is to find the slope. Okay, so remember the slope here is the steepness of the line. So basically I'm going to like try to do a little slope triangle, like zoop, zoop, right? But I got to find some approximate whole number points. So like I'm probably going to take this one here and this one here, even though they're not exact. But yeah, just take those and then find the slope. And the key is you don't want to take 2 points from the scatter plot. You want to take them from the line of best fit. Because if you pick 2 scatter plot points, say I pick these 2 right here, that's going to get the equation or the slope for the wrong line of best fit. Okay, so don't use scatter plot points. Use them from the line of best fit. So if we use these 2, we can just draw a little slope triangle. Okay, we might say it's like rise of 2 and run of 3, but you have to look at the units. So the units here, we went on the y-axis, we went from 300 to 500. So that's a gain of 200 for our y change or rise. Okay, and then the x, it is 1, 2, 3, but I think I don't know. I don't even know what it's going by. It's going by 2s maybe. So yeah, it should be 2, 4, 6. So that's a change of 6. You could also just do like 22 minus 16. That'll help you figure out that the x changed by 6. So basically, as the temperature went up by 6, the money went up by 200. So just divide these out and you get like 33.3 or something like that for the money per every 1 degree Celsius. Okay, so that's our slope. And if you look at the answer choices, the closest one is 33. So because these points aren't exact, our slope won't match exactly, but the best choice there is just 33. So our slope is about $33 for 1 degree Celsius. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching.